What's up, fam? It is me, Andre Taylor. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna get into the video. Today is a great day to be a Stadian because Stadia has launched on iOS. Oh my god. Okay, so for me, this has been the number one thing that I have wanted from Stadia the whole time. I love that live streaming is there and I'm excited for that. I love everything, but what I really liked about Stadia is that on the go feeling. Once I got to play with my laptop instead of having to be connected to a television, meaning that really I could go anywhere, I could be playing my game system in a hotel, it really brought a new breath to me. And then now knowing that I can do it on my phone, so I can be sitting in the car, not driving, and doing it, it's insane. And I can't believe it, y'all. I can't believe it finally came. I know Apple has all these restrictions that they put on everything, and that's what really slowed this down, but the fact that it is here on iOS is amazing. And here is a little video of how you can get it set up. So as you can see here, so you're gonna go to stadia.com and you're gonna hit that share button, and when you hit that share button, you're gonna add to the home page. Once you add it to the home page, it's going to be a web app, and you'll be able to press on it, sign in, and play from your phone. It is so exciting, and I just want to show it to you. So without further ado, I'm just going to show it to you. I'm juiced, as you can see. So here we are with the new Stadia app right on my phone, and as you can see here, if I scroll down, you can see all of my games. And unlike the old Stadia app, where if I go to that and I try to play a game, like Cyberpunk, for example, it would not let me play it. But now, the game launches. And guess what? You can play with it in different ways. So you can try the touch gamepad, so you can actually on the go play with it like it's an actual game on your iPhone. But for me, I'm going to connect the controller. And now welcome to Cyberpunk running on my iPhone. This is insane. I'm using the Stadia controller right here. This is groundbreaking. This is groundbreaking. I know Android, you've had this for a while, but look.
How things looking, Mr. B?
No lag whatsoever. And look, can we do high frame rate on the iPhone? I need to know. Oh my god, you can. Okay, watch this. Y'all, 60 frames per second on the iPhone.
Force. You got some balls, Mr. B.
This looks even better.
We're all set. Ready to go. What now?
I don't know if you can tell on the actual video, but like this is, oh shit. Wait, but can I live stream from here? Okay, you cannot. You cannot live stream from it. But still, it's really cool that you can even do this. This is awesome. So yes, that is Stadia on iOS. Please tell me what you think about this in the comments section. Do you think it's as awesome as I think, or do you think I'm just an Apple shill? Just let me know in the comments down below. Please hit that like and subscribe because it helps so much and it helps me to continue making videos just like this. My name is Andre Taylor, and I hope to see you in the next one, fam. Bye.